Okay, let's continue. MCQ number 19. Which process would be directly disrupted if a tree's bark, including the phloem, were removed in a ring around the stem? Letter A. Upward water transport. B. Downward sugar transport. Letter C. Gas exchange in stomata. Letter D. Absorption of minerals. Number 20. How is the plant transport system similar to the circulatory system in animals? Letter A. Both systems produce food. Letter B. Both distribute essential materials throughout the organism. Both depends only on roots. Letter D. Both use blood to transport nutrients. And the answer key for our quarter 3 biology lesson 4 about transport system in plants, how organs work together to move water, nutrients, and food. Number 1, the correct answer is letter B, root. Number 2, the correct answer is letter B, root hairs. Number 3, the correct answer is letter C, xylem and phloem. Number 4, the correct answer is letter C, xylem. Number 5, the correct answer is letter B, phloem. Number 6, the correct answer is letter B, transpiration. Number 7, the correct answer is letter C, leaves. Number 8, the correct answer is letter C. One carries water or minerals, the other carries food. Number 9, the correct answer is letter C. To cool the plant and help water movement. Number 10, letter A. Water in the xylem. Number 11, the correct answer is letter A. Capillary action and transpiration full. Number 12, the correct answer is letter B. Transport of food from leaves to roots. Number 13. The correct answer is letter B. It provides vascular pathways for transport. Number 14. The correct answer is letter B. Reduce photosynthesis. Number 15. The correct answer is letter A. Leaves wilt due to the loss of turgor pressure. Number 16. The correct answer is letter B. Roots absorb water, stems transport, and leaves create transpiration pool. Number 17. The correct answer is letter C, phloem translocation. Number 18. The correct answer is letter A, cohesion and adhesion. Number 19. The correct answer is letter B, downward sugar transport. Number 20. The correct answer is letter B. Both distribute essential materials throughout the organism. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity lives, meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.